Start your day with these 5 powerful morning exercises to burn belly fat quickly. No gym, no equipment, just a simple home workout perfect for beginners. Do this daily to lose weight and get a flat stomach fast. Let's get started. First exercise.
Crossbody mountain climbers.
Next exercise.
Rainbow leg lifts.
Next exercise.
Standing knee circles.
Next exercise.
Frog pumps.
Next exercise.
Windshield wipers.
Subscribe for more workouts videos. Thanks for watching.